Somalia has expressed its frustrations after Kenya called on the International Court of Justice to postpone a court case. The case, planned for next month, looked to tackle the issue of a disputed maritime boundary between the two neighboring countries. CGTN's Abdulaziz Billow has more from Mogadishu.
Somalia has rejected Kenya's request to delay a public hearing of its maritime boundary case against Kenya. The case is set to be debated next month. Nairobi has urged the International Court of Justice to postpone the case by 12 more months. This is after the same court gave a 2-month extension in September following a similar request from Kenya. The two East African neighbors have been at loggerheads over a maritime boundary dispute along the Indian Ocean. Mogadishu sued Nairobi in 2014 after the two failed to reach an agreement over the ownership of a 150,000 square kilometers area of the Indian Ocean coastline that's said to be rich in oil and gas. Last month, Somalia's President Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo told world leaders at the United Nations General Assembly that his country will comply with the court's ruling.
Somalia has pledged to comply with the court's final judgment and to accept the boundary that is delimited by the court. As a matter of international law, the court's judgment will be binding on Kenya as well. And we trust that when that judgment is issued and the boundary is established, a lasting settlement of this long-lasting dispute will finally be achieved.
Despite months of diplomatic standoff, Kenya dispatched its Deputy Foreign Minister Ababu Namwamba earlier this week to Mogadishu to attend the Fourth Partnership Forum organized by Somalia to seek support from its international partners on some of its crucial agendas.
Kenya sits here with you today as a good neighbor, as a reliable friend, and a dependable brother. Kenya declares solidarity with Somalia on this noble mission and assures you, Excellency, and all friends and partners here that we remain firmly committed to the values and aspirations we have traveled together in pursuit of for so many years.
A high-level government delegation led by the Deputy Prime Minister and Attorney General is in The Hague to deliver Somalia's resistance to any postponement to the case. The court is set to issue its verdict next week on whether the public hearing to the maritime case will take place as planned or postponed indefinitely. Abdulaziz, Billow, CGTN, Mogadishu, Somalia.